Alright, hello everyone, this is Wayman and we are here to look at gold. Okay, we already did the analysis on Euro USD, so if you've not yet looked at it, please go and watch it. And I want to let you know that any pair you want me to do an analysis on before the week starts, just comment it in the leave the name in the comment section, right? So we are going to look at gold in a very small period of time, because with gold, looking at the weekly storyline, it has just been in the past, I think around 7 weeks, it's been consolidating. Okay, around over 7-8 weeks. Okay, it sells and then buys almost the same size, and then sells and then buys almost the same size. So that's just, it's been gold movement. It's been having a lot of noise. Okay, market noise is where price consolidates in the same range without breaking out. And because around 9th June it made that huge leap upwards to around 3,428, actually 3,440, and then it came back to around 3,200 down. So that has just been gold, and very many people have been fearing this pair, and it's mostly because of political and political situations that have been causing a lot of fluctuations economically, right? So I'm going to dive into it. So I'll just be using the daily time frame, the daily storyline, okay? And what do we have here? Because if you look at the weekly, there's really nothing much we can base on to trade gold. So I will do the daily storyline and maybe H for the roadblock time frame. So as we can see, I think this was last week. Yes, from up here. Let me first delete some of these and do it afresh. So from up here we had that daily level, right? Yeah, there's that daily level up there. So the market comes to it, as you can see, we have a situation where the market closed above the level, okay? Closing above the level, like it broke the level. And then what happens afterwards is a bearish run that engulfed the candlestick that closed above the level. This means the level is actually strong. And if you dig deeper onto H1, the control time frame of the daily time frame, you notice that, look at this. From here, what happens is that when the market came to this daily level, we actually had a breakout, okay? The gap was broken. The gap was broken. It gave us even a clean trade from here. It gave us a clean trade, but we failed to take out the low that was created. Because look at this. We have this a situation where we have a gap, and then we break this gap, okay? Then we come back, take the new level, we start selling, right? This is what happens. We have these gaps, the breakout taking out this gap here, okay? This gap which is here, which confirms sells, because this is a daily storyline, and that is H1, the control time frame. So we have sell trades from up here, which were validated, by the way, from here, because it didn't close above this. The sales came in, but what happened is that the move failed to break this low here. It just came, consolidated around this gap, started buying, okay, and it bought till it broke this previous high. You see that? The market had to reset. And remember, all this is happening around the daily, okay? So if you took this trade, I mean, with gold, actually these are close to 100 pips even. Let me measure that for us. If you took this trade from around here, yeah, if you divide that by 10, these are 100 pips, right? These are over 100 pips literally. So if gold gives you 100 pips, you should be on break even. You should be on break even, okay? So what happens is that the market comes up, yeah, because all this is happening on Friday, okay? So when Friday closes above that, the Thursday high, we have Monday coming in, and again we see another breakout from down here, because we have this level, we have this market move that is like this. From this area we went up a little, came down, okay, something like this, then that and so I hope you get, I'm talking about that small move up, down, and then so we have this breakout from here, okay, which is around here, right? Now if you focus on this candlestick, let me give it to you. If you focus on let me delete this, let's work with what we are seeing. So you see this, let me use this. So our breakout is from here, right? We came and broke through this level, and then the next candlestick that opened touched here. You can see, right? We touched here. From here we touched our level, and this is where we got triggered in. You just need to find your confirmation here, take your sells, okay? You just take your sells from there, and you're riding downwards. So this is what happened to gold, and the trade moved from here. Now that depends on your risk to reward, but normally when I'm trading this, when I take a trade from here, that entry, I target the next daily. So our take profit would have been somewhere around here, okay, which it delivered, by the way, because you see the trade moved from here up to down here, even here. So now where are we at in the market right now? As you can see, we are down here, but what is causing this upward move? Because if you look to your left, we have a gap that the market didn't reach, okay? All these other levels were broken except this, right? You see this? That level is it's a resistance that became support, though this level has been touched multiple times. Look, we have a first touch, we have a second touch, a third touch. We only allow 2 touches, okay? But even with a third touch, it still held. You see that? So what's happening? This means the sell storyline ended here. We are now in a buy storyline on the daily, okay, on the daily. And what happened? You see this classic SNR up here, that level was also broken, right? So where is the market going next? You should be looking out for levels that are up here. You should be looking out for this level this, those, there are many. Whichever level gives you a confirmation. However, the market has not yet reached any level. It hasn't touched any one of them. Okay, it hasn't. So what you should be looking out for tomorrow, let me look at the roadblock time frame. Not okay, when the markets open, on the roadblock time frame, we have the market moving downwards. Okay, and we have a lot of open space here. Oh yeah, we have this level that gave that push upwards. So the bias for now is buys for gold. Okay, I don't know where it will retrace up to, but I expect buys still, maybe that level. If it gives a breakout on H1, then you can look for sales, any other of those levels. But the storyline for now, it's buys. Yeah, so that is for gold, and let's see you on the next one. So we shall be having recaps of these analyses at the end of the week to see how these trades actually played out. And yeah, we'll have them on the channel, so keep checking regularly for more updates. If you need any pair analyzed for you before the week is started, drop its name, the pair, in the comment section. Thanks for watching, and may the good Lord bless you. Have a good evening.